In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to create an OKX wallet. Yes, we all know that OKX exchange is currently not available in Nigeria, but the wallet is available in Nigeria. So if you're not in Nigeria or you're Nigerian, this method I'm showing you is just a simple method for you to create an OKX wallet and secure your wallet. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it now. If you don't have the app, just go to Play Store, search for OKX, install the app on your phone and open it and join us here. So if you look up here, now, you are going to see exchange and you will see wallets. If I should click on sign up, you can see that Nigeria is not available for the exchange, but it's available for the wallet. So I'm just going to change this to wallet because we want to create an OKS wallet. So I'll switch to wallet. You can see welcome to Web3. So here you can see create a wallet, and you can also see I already have a wallet. So what we are doing here is to create a wallet. So I'm just going to click on create a wallet. So you can see seed phrase wallet, security, portability, and control over your assets. So I'm just going to click on create now. You can see okay, wallet wants to use fingerprint, maybe later. So yeah, it says set wallet password. Set a password to manage your wallet. So here we're going to set our password. I always advise people while creating any password on any platform, make sure to use at least 8 characters. Some recommend 6, but I recommend 8. Use at least 8 characters, uppercase, lowercase, signs and symbols. And also make sure that it's something that you always remember so that you won't forget your password. So here I'm just going to enter my password and we continue with the video. And now we are going to confirm our password. So I'm just going to click on continue now that I've entered my password. So it says creating wallet. So guys, our wallet has been successfully created. Our OKX wallet has been successfully created. So now the next thing is to back up our phrase. You can see back up your wallet, back up to Google Drive, manual backup. So I'm just going to click on manual backup. So it says, why should I back up? Your wallet is decentralized wallet that doesn't store your seed phrase. Keep them safe and only to yourself. They can be used by anyone to access your wallet and assets. Not your keys, not your crypto. So I'm just going to click on continue. Make sure your screen is only visible to you. If your seed phrase are captured by screenshots or recordings, you may lose control of your wallet. So this phrase is very important because with just your phrase, anyone can access your wallet. That's why it's very personal. So make sure not to share it with anybody. So I'm just going to click on I understand. It says, store your seed phrase offline. Don't share your seed phrase with anyone or save them in the cloud as they can be easily compromised. So I'm just going to click on I understand again. Then the last one, it says, own the seed phrase, own the wallet. Anyone with access to your seed phrase can get a hold of your wallet and steal your asset. So I'm going to click on backup seed phrase. Now it says backup your seed phrase or private key. Here I'm going to enter my password to continue. So I'm just going to click on confirm. So here you can see write down seed phrase. Write down the seed phrase in the sequence below and keep them safe. Don't share them with anyone or you may permanently lose your assets. So below here you can see if I tap on it now, it's going to show my seed phrase. The seed phrase is numbered, so make sure to write it down according to their numbers, like one, there's a seed phrase, two, there's a seed phrase, three, there's a seed phrase. So make sure to write them down according to their numbers. So I'm just going to do that now. So guys, I have copied down my seed phrase. So I'm just going to click on continue. So here it says confirm seed phrase. So I'm just going to confirm my seed phrase and then we continue. Then I'm just going to click on done. You can see wallets backed up. So guys, this is how easy it is and simple it is for you to create your OKX wallet. As you can see, that OKX wallet is working in Nigeria. So the exchange is not available in Nigeria now, but the wallet is available. By the way, my name is Jen Francis. By the way, my name is Jen Francis. If this is the first time of coming across my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop awesome videos. This actually gives me more support and energy to post out more content for you guys. See you guys on my next video. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.